like the Atlantic and I'm going down.
Another video. Today we are playing Flood Escape, and hope this is kind of loud. Okay, so I actually had to take this is take 2 of me doing this game again, because last time my microphone wasn't working. It was powered off. But as you can see, I have one win, so yeah. I only won one time in that video. But it doesn't matter. We can win here in this one a lot of times. So let's just wait till the game begins. Rich Bobby got some boss. I'm not playing. Okay, okay. Oh, she got that moves. But she's a YouTuber. Oh my god, we're playing with another YouTuber. It's me and you. Oh my god, even though I'm just a starter, who cares? We're starting, bros. I hear the music beginning. Jumpy jumpies. Jump, 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 jump. Come on. Bro, don't be such a... Yeah, you know what? I'm going back. You're such... Guacamole. Bro, how come only 2 people survive? You and me, bro. Let's get it. We need to win this for our bros. Okay, dude? Yeah, let's get it, dude. We love this intense music. Sir. 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 Bounce. Bounce. Push this button. Go sacrifice. Jump. Touch. Go, 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 go. I mean, if I did have it, then maybe I would do it, but I don't have it, so. I can do this, bro. I may be on mobile, so I may be a little trash. I may be a trash bag, but it's fine. I'm always good at mobile. Got this, a dog. A dog. A dog. This is easy, bro. You're supposed to jump up here, touch this. Jump down there, push that button. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. No, bro. I can't die now. Not till I got this far, bro. Oh my god. How am I still alive? Ah! Yep. This is me. I got Robux kids. Let's get it. Just kidding. I wish I was one of them. Let's go, kids. Let's do this. That was my... Oh, we're starting. We're starting. Get out my way, bro. Let's do this, boys. I'm gonna get that grapple go koi koi. Koi. Nico nico ni. Nico nico ni. Get this blue button. Jumpy jump jump. Copy cop. Chippy chop. Slap. Oh shoot, I'm going the wrong way, boys. 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 Shoot. Starting room 2. Rapper B on the house with the clay. Say clean. I'm scared, bro. I need to stop doing these noises, bro. I'm gonna lose this coin, doy. Slay. Yes, thank you for whoever. Get that to haha, shikis. Bro, I don't understand how I'm still alive. Shit. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Jump, 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 jump. You're not helping at all, are you? Get the button, jump down here. Get here, down here. The dump truck. You really don't like helping your teammates. Jump, jump, jump. I'm gonna live this time. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win this one, bros. Let's get it. You and me, banana boys. Just get it, boys. I'm tapping for my life. Let's get it. Why am I always last? Let's go. Anime Tokyo, what? Let's get it. Yes! I'm the one who made it in, and I'm proud of myself. And the next game has already begun. Run for your lives! It's another flood. It's the side floors. The side. Get the flip out of my way. I'm gonna die, bruh. Couldn't see my character for a second. Ah! Woohoo! Oh no. Bounce. Chance. Challenge. Not a challenge. Bounce. Get up here. Let's get it. I didn't die. I didn't die. I didn't die. Okay, let's do this though. I got this. This is for the boys. Never mind, it's not. Jesus, my game is so slow. Did y'all see how slow that was? Just push this button. I don't know where that guy's going, but he's going somewhere. We're supposed to go here. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Here. Oh wow, it's already open too. Oh my god. I can do this. I am Lee, and I believe in my son. Alright, here we go. Bro, I was late. Why was I trying to act like Rock Lee? Hurry up, bro. Boys, what are y'all doing? The world depends on you. When the world depends on you, you have to depend on itself. You gotta depend. Yeah, that's right, Xbox player. I think you are, anyways. The sign from the character that you're wearing. Yes, sir. Ooh. Oh, man. Oh, man. We're back in the mine shaft, back to back, back to back. That's cool. We're back in the mine shaft, back to back. Flippin' slides, I'm gonna die, bro. Don't leave me in there. I know I was being a bad teammate, but chillax, dude. I think I'll make it. Yeah, there's only 4 people. Let's get it. Alright, let's do this. We gotta win this one more time. Next time, I'm gonna play it, but I'm gonna make sure I get that gravity coil. I'm gonna have that gravity coil. Trust, believe, believe it, believe it, believe it. Yeah, that's what Rock Lee. No. Yes, thank you for the support, people. Thank you. Never mind. I thought everybody was already in here. That should be everyone. Yeah. Get me out of here, boys. Oh, push the button. I'll be right here, please. I'ma beep that out. Ah! Ah! Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more flood escape videos like this one. Boom, boom, don't. But yes, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Like the Atlantic and I'm going down. Like